Dear student, the exercise 5.1 is continue, and this is the chapter continuity and differentiability. So the question number 7. The question number 7 is find all points of discontinuous. Means one signum function is given, and this signum function is mod x plus 3 if x is equal or less than minus 3. It is minus 2x if x is between greater than minus 3 but less than 3. 6x plus 2 if x is greater than or equal to 3. It means there are the two critical points. One is minus 3 and another is 3. Now how we will find the value? So first we will check at x equal to minus 3. So limit x tends to minus 3 negative. Minus 3 negative means left hand limit. Mod x plus 3. Because it is minus 3, it means it cannot positive. It should be negative. Clear? So limit x tends to 0. Minus 3 minus h. We are subtracting a very little amount from the minus 3 minus h plus 3. Now put h equal to 0. Then minus 3 plus 0 plus 3. Mod of minus 3 become plus 3 and 3. That is 6. And now x tends to minus 3 positive means right hand limit. Function of x. And now just check plus 3. So that it become minus 2 because x is minus 3 plus means right hand limit, so it is minus 2. So limit x tends to minus 3 positive. Function of x is minus 2x. So minus 2 and x value minus 3 plus h means right hand side, so I am adding plus h. Now put h equal to 0. So minus 3 minus 2 minus 3 plus 0, it become again 6 means left hand limit and right hand limit both are equal. So we will check at the rate of function. The function is minus 3. So x is equal to minus 3. Then it is mod x plus 3. Mod x plus 3. So put x equal to minus 3. So minus 3 mod plus 3. That is the absolute value. It become positive 3, 6. Hence, thus the limit x tends to minus 3 positive. Function of x that is equal to x function of x right hand limit and at the rate of minus 3. So it is continuous. So hence function is continuous x equal to minus 3. Now we are going to check x equal to 3. Then limit x tends to 3 negative. Now plus 3. We are talking about the plus 3. From where plus 3? This. X is less than 3. Then it is minus 2x. So we will write here function of x is minus 2x. Limit h tends to 0 minus 2. Take in the left hand side, so subtract minus h. Limit h tends to 0. Put the value of h. It is 0. It become minus 6. Now 3 positive. When we will think the 3 positive, then x is greater than 3. It is 6x plus 2. So we will write here the function of x is 6x plus 2. Function h tends to 0, 6. Put the value of h. It is 3 plus h plus 2. 6 3 is 18 plus 6h plus 2. Clear? So 18 to 20 plus 6, h value is 0, it become 20. When left hand limit and right hand limits are not equal, then the function is discontinuous at x equal to 3. Now in the examination, if you are writing till here, so you will not lose any marks. Actually this question is belong to the either marks 1 or marks 2 only. Now at the critical point, if you are going to check, if you wish, the x c is less than 3, the limit x tends to c, function of x and function of x is mod x plus 3. Putting x tends to c in place of c, to c plus 3, and c is what is negative, so minus c plus 3, and at the rate of function c it is also the same. So f is continuous when c is less than minus 3. At the rate c, when you are checking, minus 3 means c is belong greater than minus 3 but less than 3. The limit h tends to 3, function of x that is minus 2x as I explained. So it become minus 2c and when you will put the value of c, function of c, then again you will get the -2. So f is continuous x equal to c, where c is greater than -c and less than c. Similarly, when you are checking c is greater than 3, the function of x tends to c, limit, now it is 6x plus 2, the signum function, the third line, x tends to c. So similarly, the 6x plus c, which is equal to function of c. So f is continuous, c is greater than 3, means when less than 3, when belonging in between 3, and when it is at 3, means everywhere. Hence the point of discontinue is only when x equal to 3, means x equal to 3 it is discontinued, and rest of the point it is continuous. Pause the video and note down.